Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the P2256 trouble code, which stands for OBD Sensor Negative Current Control Circuit Open Bank to Sensor 1. If you're seeing this code pop up on your scanner, don't worry. We'll go step by step to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. Code P2256 means that the powertrain control module PCM has detected a negative current discrepancy in the upstream oxygen OBD sensor for engine bank number 2. Bank 2 is the engine bank that doesn't contain the number 1 cylinder. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD-II scanner, multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary. Safety gear, gloves and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2256 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2256 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.